Hi everybody, Brian from Prairie Gardens and Jeffrey Allen's here again. We survived the first weekend of our annual Totally Christmas open house and it was super fun. But now we still have one more weekend to go. This coming Friday through Monday is part 2 with more specials, more deals, more fun for you and your family. And as you can tell, we widened our aisles, we've lowered the shelves so everybody was comfortable and they were able to enjoy all the Totally Christmas wonder around. Okay, 3 more themes. We talked about 3 last week. Mr. Snowman was high up on the list, but we might give him a running with some of these other themes. The first one, Through the Woods. And the name says it all. Think about like a snowy walk through the nature and all that you see. A grazing deer, a snowy owl, birds, everything that you would see like in the forest on a nature walk. And the colors, grays, beiges, tans, snowy whites, really natural. And of course, always represented by our handmade designs from our design center. Isn't this beautiful? And you could have that in your home. And as you can see, oh, who's that? Mr. Gnome. He's just sticking up everywhere, isn't he? We'll see more of him next week, though. So if you look through, look at all the wonderful whites, the snows, the deers, which I really like. I think that always says Christmas to me. And if you look at coming over here by the tree, very nature. Something you could leave out through January, really, because it's not, not Christmas in your face. It's just nice and natural and things that you would see if you're trudging through the snow. I don't trudge. So let's go 180 degrees in another direction with Regal Christmas. A timeless, classic look with ruby reds, emerald greens, sapphire blues, deep rich reds that never go out of style. And this year we're featuring the Nutcrackers and the Toy Soldiers. I think of this theme as a little dressier, but it's something you can build on year after year. And then finally, one of my all-time favorites, I always say it pays the bills, Country Roads. It's kind of another timeless and classic to the other direction of nature. Berries, barns, cows, chickens, all those things that we grew up with around here in our area. But now with lots of berries, lots of branches, and just a little hint of snow. And of course, who's this? Mr. Bird. And what do I always say? There's always room for a bird. So think about these 3 themes when you're out here voting during our open house for your favorite tree. What do you think so far? Mr. Snowman's doing pretty good, but I like good old Country Roads. So again, as always, thank you so much for letting us add some smiles and some sparkle into your holiday home. And I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye.